Hello and welcome. I'm Neha Bajaj, and tonight I'm at the red carpet of Mr. India 2025 Season 2 Grand Finale, and I have with me the gorgeous Sangeeta Bijlani. Welcome.
So sweet. Thank you so much.
And a former beauty queen, actress, model. How does it feel to be at the red carpet? Is it bringing back some old memories?
Well, to be here is always like coming back home for me. Times of India and Femina is home because I'm their discovery. So yes, of course, it's nostalgic to be back here and meet all of you again. And super excited for tonight.
So tell me something. How have things changed back in those days when women would compete for a beauty pageant, and now? Like, what differences do you see?
I think it was a little more organic then. I'm not saying it's not organic now, but they're very prepared now. We were very raw and very simple, and there was no social media, of course. So you didn't know what you were going to do. So you just gave out your best, and you just went out there and your makeup, your hair, and all. There was not so much of technicalities and not so much of support system. So yeah, there's a lot of support system. There's a lot of training now, and they're well prepared and they're well groomed, and their smile, their hair, their clothes, everything is provided now. So yeah, it's different now.
Okay, so back in your times, how did you prepare for a beauty pageant? Like, three most important things that you would like to share with your fans.
Honestly, my preparation was all done by my mom. She was my support system. And she said, okay, we'll go and get you a nice red sari, a chiffon sari. So I said, okay, mama. And then she got this lovely silver earrings and lots of bangles. And so my mom was basically my stylist, come designer, come everything. And obviously I was just 17 at that time. So literally, and you're so raw. On those days, you were really raw. You didn't have so much of preparation. And like I said, there's no social media or preparation to understand where you're heading. So yeah, it was pretty simple then, and confidence was always there. I mean, I was blessed with that, and yeah.
And now I would like to play a quick rapid fire with you. And since you're great with answers, so first and foremost, many women want to know what's the secret behind your good looks on Instagram. You've been posting so many reels.
Good looks, I would say, is from my mother. She was very gorgeous and very beautiful soul and very angelic. So I think I'm blessed with a little bit of that. Good genes and a lot of sacrifice, of course. I take care a lot. I eat right. I try and work out as much as I can. I do my yoga. I do my meditation every day. And it's not just external, but it's also an inner thing. So there has to be a balance within also. So your mind has to be calm. You have to handle things and balance things with your inner world and your outer world. So that's what I've learned to do.
Okay. So one word to describe your look tonight.
I think it's a fusion of a gown cum sari.
Okay. So your all-time favorite style icon in Bollywood?
Style icon in Bollywood, I think Rekha ji, forever.
Okay. Best friend in Bollywood and why?
Let's let that remain a mystery.
So last one. One Bollywood actor who could become Mr. India even today, right now.
Well, there are so many. I think all our heroes are so gorgeous and handsome and good looking. I think they'll all give everybody a run for the money. Even today, I think whether it's Akshay, whether it's Ranveer Singh, or whether it's all these, there's so many of them now. Yeah.
So you feel they can become Mr. India?
Of course.
Thank you. That was lovely, Sangeeta. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. मेरे साथ हैं a former beauty queen, gorgeous, lovely Aditi Govitrigar. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right. You look lovely. So one word in which you define your look.
Little different than my normal style.
Okay. So again, this is a beauty pageant. You've been a former beauty pageant winner. What are the qualities that are required to be a winner of any beauty pageant?
What I would look in a beauty pageant winner is that X factor. That is very important, which is pretty much a combination of confidence, charm, and presence.
Okay. So in Bollywood, whom do you feel that you feel that no, this person has an X factor and can become a Mr. India even right now?
Akshay Kumar for sure. I mean, he's one. Anil Kapoor, I think he's still super fit and full of energy and he has that zing in him. So yeah, I think these two guys.
Okay, so your life journey has been phenomenal, Aditi. Many women love you, admire you. I do that too. So if you have to define your life with one particular film, song or character, what would that be?
I would say Kabhi Kabhi Aditi. Yeah, I love that song, yeah, Rahman's song. My name is there, and I think the lyrics are really beautiful. So yeah, that's the song.
Okay, so in tonight's Mr. India, what are the two qualities that you look forward for?
Presence and confidence.
Okay, presence and confidence. And since you've been on stage many times, you have walked for the ramp, you have acted. How to overcome stage fear? कभी आपको लगा stage पे डर कि अभी क्या होगा? कुछ मुझे डर लग रहा है.
बहुत बार लगता था. शुरू में तो बिल्कुल आदत नहीं थी क्योंकि I'm an introvert, so to get over that and then to be in the spotlight where everybody is looking at you took a long time for me. The way I built it up is by just jumping into it, taking it head on to say that, hey, this is a fear that I need to overcome. I have to keep doing it till I'm comfortable, and today I am.
Okay, my last question, Aditi. Who has been your biggest cheerleader in Bollywood? जो आपको हमेशा आपको हमेशा inspire करते हैं, आप कैसी भी लग रही हो, आपको हमेशा compliment करते हैं, हमेशा अच्छी लगती हैं. But कौन है वो आपके best friend in Bollywood?
So I wouldn't say Bollywood, I would say fringe because she is not typically a Bollywood person, but yeah, a little bit, yes. Her name is Vabis and she is my biggest cheerleader, she's my biggest critic, so yes. Hi! Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. I have with me an ace designer, Rocky, who has designed for many Bollywood celebrities. Welcome on the red carpet.
Thank you very much.
And how does it feel to be at the red carpet of Mr. India 2025?
I've been a part of Times of India for years and years. Miss India, Mr. India, been a part in some manner or the other manner, styling them, giving clothes, and I'm very excited because, every time you get a new talent and giving such a big platform like Mr. India, their future is set. They are giving such a great platform for a person who deserves it, and their future is going to go much ahead. I'm very excited to see who's going to be winning.
Okay, so in Bollywood, any of your favorite pageant winners who you really admire or love to design clothes for?
Well, I've been in the industry for more than 30 years. There's been Dino, John, all of these guys have been a pageant winner from Gladrex to also like now, Manushi Chilla, and the people I've dressed them up for Miss World or Miss India or Miss Universe. They're all doing extremely well. It's a fantastic platform for them to launch themselves in the industry.
Okay, so any actor in Bollywood who you feel can still become Mr. India? Many people said Akshay Kumar or Amitabh Bachchan.
Mr. India is very difficult contest. You have to be extremely disciplined, and the actors who are already established, I would not want them to be going back. But you have a whole new lot of people who want to explore Bollywood or the world industry. Mr. India is a great platform to start.
Absolutely. Okay. So any of your friends in Bollywood who just give you a call and say, I want these clothes, and you just can't say no to them, who are those?
All of them, they take me for granted.
But still, 3 to 4 names.
Like, I have Bipasha, I have Manushi, Shilpa, all of them are such a good friend. Whenever they need clothes, they're just going to call me, expecting me to deliver.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. मेरे साथ हैं अनु मलिक. Welcome. कैसा लग रहा है और आज यहाँ पर आपको लग रहा है कि कौन जीतेगा, किसके लिए रूट कर रहे हैं आप?
So I'm honestly rooting for Mr. India World because I like this concept, Mr. India and World. So we have a lot of good-looking men here. We have tremendous talent in this country, and if somebody wins Mr. India and then becomes Mr. World, Mr. India World, it's going to be fantastic. But I like the fact that we have a supranational also, and we are looking for the rising star. So I'm very curious to know who's going to be the rising star also.
Okay. आपका कोई एक गाना जो आज के लम्हे पर बिल्कुल फिट बैठता हो तो वो कौन सा होगा?
कितने गाने हैं? आप बताइए, आपने मेरे इतने गाने सुने हैं, आप बताइए आप।
मैं तो बता दूंगी, लेकिन मैं जानना चाहती हूँ आपका कोई भी गाना जो भी आपको एकदम याद आ रहा हो, ये सारा गुड लुक्स।
कहने के लिए हैं कितने यहाँ, लेकिन इनमें वो बात कहाँ, कैसी बातें और कैसे हंसी, जरा खुल के बता, मैं समझी नहीं। हम करेंगे फॉर ऑल द गाइस, पागल हमें कर दिया किसने? सभी ने। जानम समझा करो, जानम समझा करो, जानम समझा करो, जानम समझा करो।
ओके, मेरा लास्ट सवाल, अगर कोई बॉलीवुड एक्टर जिसको आप आज मिस्टर इंडिया बनते हुए देखना चाहेंगे तो वो कौन सा होगा?
There are so many, all of them, all of them. I love all of them. I'm not going to be fussed out in this question of yours. I love every actor. I love all my Khans. I love Akshay Kumar very much. I love Mr. Bachchan very, very much, to be very honest. And then I love all the younger lot today. I've got a great soft corner for Ayushman because मेरा गाना बहुत चला, मेरी पिक्चर बहुत चली, दम लगा के हाइशा, ये मोमो के धागे. And then again, it will never end. The list is endless. सभी हैं. So don't fuss on me in this question. I love all of them and all are rock stars.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you, Anand.